Hi and welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to make this aloe vera leave-in conditioner for your natural hair. This leave-in conditioner helps strengthen your hair strands. So to make this aloe vera leave-in conditioner, I have all my ingredients measured out. In my beaker here I have 150 grams of distilled water, and the next I have is 65 grams of aloe vera juice. So at this point I'm pouring in my aloe vera into my distilled water, and after that I have glycerin. My glycerin, I'm using 7 grams of glycerin. Glycerin is a humectant. It draws water from the atmosphere to your hair, thereby making your hair to stay moisturized. So aloe vera has lots of benefits in this hair conditioner. Aloe vera helps strengthen your hair strands. Aloe vera has many active ingredients and minerals that can help strengthen your hair. So after adding my glycerin into the distilled water and aloe vera mix, and the next I'm going to move into my oil phase. And for my oil phase, I have my emulsifying wax and cetyl alcohol measured out. And for my emulsifying wax, I'm using 11 grams of emulsifying wax. This emulsifying wax will help bind the water and the oils together to make this leave-in conditioner. Then my cetyl alcohol, I use 3 grams of my cetyl alcohol, and the next is my grapeseed oil. I'm using 12 grams of grapeseed oil for this leave-in conditioner. So after adding my grapeseed oil, the next I'm adding is my shea butter. Shea butter will help moisturize your natural hair, and with this it will make the moisture last longer in your hair. And when you moisturize your hair with this leave-in conditioner, it will stay days before you re-moisturize your hair again. So for my shea butter, I use 23 grams of shea butter. If you don't have shea butter, you can also use mango butter or avocado butter for this part. So after I'm measuring out my oil and my water phase, the next is to place the both in hot water bath, and after melting, then I pour in the water into the oil phase as I'm doing at this point. And immediately after pouring it together, the next I move in with my hand immersion blender as I'm doing at this point. So I'm going to blend it for a while, then I will stop, and after pausing, and I start again every 2 seconds. And after blending for some time, I'm going to leave it to stay for like 15 minutes so that it will cool down before I start adding my cool down phase. So with this aloe vera leave-in conditioner, the aloe vera in this conditioner will help control greasy hair. The aloe vera has eczema that break down fat from your hair, and which will help for hair growth. It protects your hair from UV damage, from sun damage. So aloe vera has so many benefits in this leave-in conditioner, and constant use of this will help leave your hair moisturized and strengthen your hair strands. So if you've not been following me, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you enjoyed this video, and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a video. And if you know family and friends that will be interested in this leave-in conditioner, please don't forget to share this video to those you think that will need this tutorial. And thank you as you do so. So at this point, my aloe vera leave-in conditioner has thickened up, and it's now time to add my cool down phase. And for my cool down phase, I have other ingredients to add, and the first ingredient I will be adding after this. And at this point, guys, I love the consistency of this leave-in conditioner. So the first I'm adding is my preservative. For my preservative, I use 2 grams of preservative. I use liquid German plus. Remember to follow your manufacturer's instruction as you use any preservative you're using. Follow the manufacturer's instruction so that you don't go overboard while adding your preservative. And the next I added is my essential oil. I use vanilla essential oil for this, and I use 2 grams of essential oil. You can add more or reduce the quantity depending on how you love your fragrance in your conditioners, since you're making it yourself. Then the next, I use vitamin E oil as well. Vitamin E oil is the antioxidant in this leave-in conditioner, and I added 1 gram of vitamin E oil. So guys, after adding all my cool down phase, I'm going to mix it, and the next is to transfer it into a clean container. And this leave-in conditioner has a shelf life of 1 to 2 years depending on the ingredients you use. And it's important, as you buy your ingredient, make sure you check for the expiration date, so you know exactly what you're buying, and knowing that whenever you use those ingredients, and once the ingredient you use in the leave-in conditioner expires, your leave-in conditioner will expire. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Thank you, and see you in my next tutorial. Bye.